Good morning, Zoo. Huh, where are all the zoo animals? What's that animal? It's an elephant. What does the elephant eat? Cupcake? No. Grass? Yes, elephants eat grass. Watermelon? Yes, elephants love watermelon. Elephant. Can you find the elephant? Good job! There's something in the cave. What's that animal? It's a lion. What does the lion eat? Flour? No. Steak? Yes, lions love steak. Leaves? No. No leaves. Lion. Can you find the lion? Amazing! Look, there's something in the water. What's that animal? It's a hippo. What does the hippo eat? Bananas? No. Pizza? Nope. Water plants? Yes, hippos eat water plants. Hippo. Can you find the hippo? Good job! You found it! What's in the bush? Did you see that? Where'd it go? What's that animal? It's a giraffe. What does the giraffe eat? Leaves? Yes. Hamburger? No. Donut? Nope. That's silly. Giraffe. Let's see where the giraffe goes. Good job! We found the giraffe. Did you see that? What's that animal? It's a zebra. What does the zebra eat? Flower? Yes, zebras love flowers. Donut? No. Grass? Yes, zebras eat grass. Zebra. Can you find the zebra? There it is! We found him! There's something on the rocks. Uh-oh! What's that animal? It's a gorilla. What does the gorilla eat? Tacos? No. Leaves? Yes, gorillas eat leaves. Grapes? Yes, gorillas love grapes. Gorilla. Let's see where the gorilla goes. There it is! You found it! Oops! Something fell down. What's that animal? It's a panda. What does the panda eat? Shirt? No. Flies? Nope. Bamboo? Yes, pandas eat bamboo. Panda. Can you find the panda? Hooray! You found the panda! Boing, boing. Something's hopping. What's that animal? It's a kangaroo. What does the kangaroo eat? Flower? Yep, kangaroos like flowers. Egg? No, no eggs. Grass? Yes, kangaroos eat grass. Kangaroo. Can you find the kangaroo? There it is! Amazing! Oops! What's that animal? It's a penguin! What does the penguin eat? Seaweed? No. Shrimp? Yes, penguins eat shrimp. Lollipop? No. No lollipop. Penguin. Can you find the penguin? Hooray! We found all the zoo animals.